These 17 car features are quietly killing your car's reliability. They're sold as futuristic, smart, and fuel-saving. But in reality, they're turning expensive parts into ticking time bombs. And the worst part? The features that seem the coolest are often the most destructive. Stick around till number 1. It's the one almost every modern car has, and it's destroying them from day one. 17. Keyless entry systems. Keyless entry sounds amazing. No keys, no fuss, right? Wrong. These systems constantly search for your key, even when the car is parked. That drains batteries, stresses electronics, and makes your car vulnerable to relay theft hacks. Mechanics often see cars come in with dead batteries and multiple electrical gremlins thanks to this convenience feature. The irony? You barely even use it. You touch the door handle, your car unlocks. But behind the scenes, it's slowly wearing out. 16. Auto parking assist systems. Hands-free parking sounds like a dream. But in real life, this system is a nightmare waiting to happen. Cameras get dirty, sensors misread, motors misalign, software glitches. I've seen cars come in after a minor bumper repair and suddenly the entire parking system is offline. Your luxury feature? Just another bill waiting to happen. 15. Lane Keep Assist Steering Input. These systems actively fight your steering wheel to keep the car in lane. Useful? Sometimes. Expensive? Definitely. Motors, sensors, and steering components all get extra wear. Even a simple windshield replacement can require costly recalibration. And if your lane assist starts fighting unexpectedly, it can be downright terrifying, especially in heavy traffic. More tech, more cost, more headaches. 14. Cylinder deactivation. This system shuts off some cylinders at cruising speeds to save fuel. Sounds smart, until you realize oil flow becomes uneven. Lifters collapse. Parts wear unevenly. Engines tick, vibrate, and misfire long before their time. I've seen brand new engines with this feature develop mechanical issues under 50,000 miles. The fuel savings? Often less than a cup of gas per week. The damage? Thousands in repair costs. 13. Electronic throttle controls. Throttle cables used to be simple, predictable, reliable. Now everything is controlled by sensors and software. If the electronic throttle malfunctions, you get hesitation, delayed response, or sudden limp mode. It sounds minor until you realize your car can stall or refuse acceleration in traffic. Precision is nice, but more electronics means more potential failure points. 12. CVT transmissions. CVTs are marketed as smooth and fuel-efficient. But most CVTs can't survive heavy driving past 100,000 miles. The belts wear, heat builds, and when it fails, there's no cheap fix. One failed CVT can totally ruin your car's resale value. It's smooth on the freeway and a nightmare in the shop. 11. Complex emissions systems. EGR valves, DPF filters, AdBlue injectors, all essential for emissions. But these systems hate short trips, city driving, and heavy traffic. I've seen brand new cars clog DPF filters in less than a year. Repair costs? Often more than the car is worth. Emission efficiency today, reliability disaster tomorrow. 10. Downsized turbo engines. Small engine, big turbo, big problems. These engines run hot and under constant boost. Oil breaks down faster. Seals and gaskets fail early. They perform great in tests and commercials, but real-world durability? often shockingly poor. Mechanics tell me turbos and cylinder heads are one of the first things to go in these engines. 9. Electric power steering. Electric steering helps MPG slightly, but when it dies instantly. Replacing a rack or motor is thousands of dollars. Old hydraulic steering leaked slowly, gave warning signs. Electric steering? No warning, just dead. 8. Push-button start. It looks cool, but it's another electronic failure point. Fail to recognize the key? The car won't start. And even a perfectly fine engine won't help you. Old keys didn't care about software, they just worked. Convenience now, potential immobilization later. 7. Direct injection. Direct injection boosts power and emissions, but it's a silent killer. Fuel no longer washes the intake valves, causing carbon buildup. Rough idle, misfires, hesitation, and power loss are the result. Many owners never realize why their car feels off until expensive cleaning is unavoidable. 6. Plastic cooling system components. Water pumps, thermostat housings, and fittings made of plastic. They crack under heat, leak coolant, and cause overheating. I've seen engines destroyed by a single failed plastic part. Efficiency? Fine. Durability? Absolutely not. 5. Giant touchscreens for everything. Climate control, seat heaters, lights, driving modes, all behind a touchscreen. One freeze, one glitch, one software update, and your car stops behaving. Old school buttons didn't crash. Old school buttons didn't cost thousands to fix. 4. Electronic parking brakes. Simple, reliable handbrake? Gone. Now we have motors, wiring, sensors, and software. Fail here, and your car is literally stuck. Even a brake service now requires tools, software resets, and extra time. Complexity for complexity's sake. 3. Auto high beams. Cameras and sensors constantly misread conditions, flashing oncoming traffic. Even a windshield replacement can break the system, requiring costly recalibration. Most drivers turn it off. The electronics? Still aging quietly in the background. 2. Active grille shutters. Motorized flaps behind your grille to improve aerodynamics. They sit at the very front, exposed to dirt, debris, water, and bugs. When they fail, your engine can overheat or warning lights trigger. Tiny efficiency gain. Huge reliability risk. 1. Auto start-stop systems. The worst offender of all. Shuts off your engine at every stoplight to save fuel. Every restart stresses the starter, battery, flywheel, timing components, and mounts. Older cars, 1 start per trip. Modern cars, hundreds per week. Minimal savings, maximum wear. Mechanics hate it. Car owners regret it. Here's the hard truth. Cars aren't unreliable because manufacturers forgot how to build them. They're unreliable because complexity always breaks first. The longest-lasting cars are usually the simplest. Fewer features, fewer computers, fewer things to fail. If this video saved you from future repairs, subscribe, hit like, and comment which feature you'd delete forever. Once you know this, you'll never look at modern cars the same way again.